Welcome everyone to where we are putting together solutions for those math and science topics that we are getting problems with. Today, we will be looking at the exam structure, the grades, the profiles, and the format of what is commonly referred to as CXC Mathematics. And at one time, that was correct to say. However, it is no longer accurate. Feel free to like the video and add comments in the description down below, or post which topic in math or science that you may need help in, so we can assist you. The CXC, the Caribbean Examination Council, is an umbrella organization in charge of all the different assessments held at different school levels for Caribbean students, from primary straight through to secondary school. As one enters school life, he enters the primary school system, where, upon his leaving, he writes the Common Entrance Examination, or the SEA, Secondary Entrance Assessment, or the CPA, the Caribbean Primary Exit Assessment, all according to which Caribbean country we belong to. But all three of them fall under the ruling of the CXC as we transition to secondary school. Our final assessment there at the end of 5 years is known as CSEC, Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate, and this is where we are. And for those who pursue further, they go on to the advanced levels, which comprises Unit 1 and Unit 2, or in some territories it is known as sixth form, where they will be writing the CAPE examination, the Caribbean Advanced Proficiency Exam. All these different assessments fall under CXC, but we are specifically interested in this video in the CSEC level. CXC now offers more than 30 different subjects at this CSEC level, with that number growing according to the needs of the Caribbean people. Presently, there are more than 25 of those subjects at the general proficiency level, the level in which these pupils gain the tools to continue studying in that area, well beyond Form 5. The other subjects are at the technical proficiency level, in which these subjects require a much more practical than those in the general area. Mathematics itself is classified as a general proficiency subject, and it is a requirement for mathematics at the CAPE level. CSEC mathematics assessments are of 4 types. The first one is the multiple choice paper, which comprises of 60 compulsory questions with a time allotted of 90 minutes. Each question has 4 choices, and the pupil is to select the best answer. There are no scientific calculators allowed in this exam. In the second assessment, however, this is known as the structured paper. There are 10 compulsory questions with an allotted time of 2 hours and 40 minutes. Non-programmable scientific calculators are allowed. The third assessment has the code 031, or it is better known as the school-based assessment. This SBA itself is a project which is used to encourage students to apply their math concepts to investigate and explain real-life situations. It is an in-house project, and it carries 20% off the final mark. And there's a fourth assessment, 032. This paper is an alternative paper to the paper 031, the SBA. It is for those students who are unable to complete a successful SBA, or if they are considered to be an external student. It comprises of 2 compulsory questions which can be taken from any section or combination of sections of the syllabus. CSEC Mathematics has 9 major topics which are all compulsory. The first topic, number theory and computation, as well as the second topic, consumer arithmetic, combine for 14 questions in paper 1, the multiple choice, and they combine to form the first question in the structured paper worth 9 marks. There are 2 major differences in this syllabus compared to the older ones. The topic sets is no longer tested in paper 2, only in paper 1, while all other topics, including vectors and matrices, are tested in both papers, the multiple choice and the structured. The paper 1 comprises a total of 60 marks, which is equivalent to 30% of the final grade. And similarly, paper 2, the structured paper, comprises 100 marks, which is equivalent to 50% of the final grade, with the last 20% being made up by the paper 031, the SBA, or the paper 032, the alternative paper to the SBA. Students are equipped with a formula sheet for both assessments in paper 1 and paper 2. The formula sheet has been increased with additional formulas being added to the list that is provided. It comprises formulas in 3 major topics. 1. Measurement, such as the circumference of a circle, the length of an arc, areas of different shapes, and volumes as well. Topic 2, in algebra, such as the quadratic equations and being able to find the roots. Topic 3, in trigonometry, which includes trigonometric ratios, along with the sine and the cosine rules. They are also furnished with 2 diagrams to assist students further. Also, in the syllabus, there is a list of symbols that we may interact with across the syllabus, and the topics of sets, relations, functions and graphs, number theory, measurement, geometry, vectors and matrices, and other symbols. All CXC subjects at this CSEC level are ranked by grades 1 through 6, with grade 1 being the highest and, of course, 6 being the lowest. Grades 1, 2, and 3 are considered to be a pass, while grades 4, 5, and 6 requires the student to repeat the course. Specifically, with regards to mathematics, there are 3 profiles that the student receives along with his grades. They are a measure of his knowledge, comprehension, and reasoning within the exam. The knowledge measures the pupil's ability to recall facts from memory and complete basic computation, while comprehension requires students to think logically in a systematic format. And finally, reasoning is a measure of the ability of the student to translate certain problems with inferences and analysis in order to produce a solution. Thank you for joining us with our introduction to CXC, and feel free to hit the links for some of our mini-series on different topics in this subject. Don't forget to add in the comments if you need help in any particular topic, so we may create a video for you. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.